Devadim recording another video tutorial. Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to invite friends to a new Facebook page. So as you can see, this is a brand new page that we just created. Facebook makes it really easy to invite people who you're friends with on Facebook to your page. Over in the sidebar here, it's a section, invite friends to like your page. And so you can just pick which friends you think might be interested in that page and click the invite button next to their name. You can also go and do a search for people. If you want to search for anyone in particular, you can search by first or last name, and your whole list will show up. And then you can just click on the invite button to invite friends to your page. Once you have over 10 likes, it changes the look of this box here. It makes it about half the size, but it still has invite friends to like your page. And it even has a search button, so you can go and you can search through the list of your friends and find individuals and add them on as you like. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. You can find more videos and articles on our website, devadim.com. And feel free to join us on social media. You can find @devadim on Facebook and Twitter. Also, if you did find this video helpful, I would love for you to let me know on Twitter. Just tweet me with the hashtag DevaDime Video Tutorial.